Hi everyone, in front of me I've got XIAOMI Pad 5 and let me share with you how to change a keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open any app which will allow you to open the keyboard. So let's have a keyboard on the screen, and all we have to do is to simply enter the settings which should appear on this panel. If for some reason you cannot find the settings here, no worries, 3 dots icon, tap on OK here and the settings will appear right here. You can tap on them, hold them and drag them to this first panel to have much faster access to it in the future. So let's enter the settings, and here we have to tap on languages. And as you can see, this is the list of previously added languages. We've got only English right now. So let's tap on Add Keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of all available keyboards from which you can choose. Sorry for the camera. And all you have to do is to simply find the one you'd like to set. So again, sorry for the camera. Come on, let's focus. And let me pick the language which is, let's say, graphical, in order to show you the actual difference. So I will pick Arabic. Let's tap on it, and sometimes you will also be able to pick the keyboard types. So for example, the handwriting and so on. I will stick with the first one, so let's tap on done. And as you can see, it has been immediately applied to this list. So now we can go back to the keyboard and check. And actually we've got two differences. So first of all, the spacebar is not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using, and next to it we've got the globe icon, which will simply allow us to change the language, so it works like a language key. So right now I am typing English, but after tapping on the globe icon I can easily switch to the Arabic one. Let me tap on it again, and again English. So basically this is how to add the language to a keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove it, because sometimes you do not really need like 2 or 3 different languages added. So let's enter the settings again, tap on the languages, and here let's tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. As you can see right now, we can mark the language we would like to remove. Of course you can reorder them if you want to, and tap on the trash bin icon. And as you can see, we've got only English left, so this is the state which we had at the very beginning of this video. So we can go back, and after tapping you can see that first of all the spacebar is empty, and we cannot find the globe icon, so we simply cannot change the language. So actually this is it. This is how to change keyboard language in your XIAOMI Pad 5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.